Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I prepared this awesome salmon with butter, lemon and spring garlic. So I have here 2 slices of salmon. I have dry herbs like basil, tarragon, thyme, rosemary, parsley, oregano and marjoram. I have spring garlic here, some butter, pepper, lemon, and I will add some water, and this is it. Olive oil on the fish over here, and I will put some pepper. You can add salt, of course. I will add some of these dry herbs. I don't know how to take them out. Like so. So I'm chopping this garlic, spring garlic, onion, and I'm gonna put fish with the seasoned part down in the pan. Okay. Put pepper here. I'm gonna put some of these herbs as well on this side. Perfect. So let's put some butter. Perfect. Let's add that garlic. You can add some white wine if you want. I will not add because I don't have. But after this will cook for a minute, I will add a bit of water. Like so. You can add white wine and some lemon juice here. I will serve this salmon with some new boiled potatoes. Over them I put a bit of butter and of course lemon. Take this and some of this lovely sauce over, like so. It is a really fast, easy and healthy meal, and I really hope you're gonna try it out and let me know in the comments down below your thoughts about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you here next time. Until then, please find reasons to smile. Bye bye.